Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Fine,
morning.
thank
How
you.
are you, dear children?
Thank you. Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you.
This would be our first class
Okay, ma'am.
where we will start with geography first lesson. Clear? Social science first lesson. First, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ramya. I'm handling social. I'll be your social science teacher this academic year.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us begin the session, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Let
Yes,
me ask
ma'am.
some questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you studied solar system in smaller class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You all have studied solar system. How many planets are there in the solar
Eight.
system?
8.
8 planets. Very good. In which planet we live?
Earth.
Earth.
What do you know about Earth?
Ma'am, it is a blue planet.
It's
Ma'am,
blue
it is
color,
blue
right?
Blue planet.
It's
And
two planets.
it's a third planet from the sun.
Third planet from the sun.
And
It is the only planet which has.
ma'am, it has
Yeah,
one
only
moon.
one.
It is
Only
only
one
living
planet. Life
planet.
exists only in Earth, right?
It's
Okay, very
only
good.
living planet.
Only okay. Human life exists only in this
Earth.
planet. Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Earth appears blue in color when seen from outer space, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why does Earth appears blue in color?
Ma'am, that blue color is ocean.
Because of
Water.
because of the presence of water. Excellent. Because of the presence of water, Earth appears blue in color. That means 71% of Earth is covered with water.
Water.
As we all know, the size of the Earth is very huge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As because of the size of the Earth, this huge size of the Earth, it would be impossible for man to study Earth, right? To make
Yes.
it easier, to make it possible, we represent the Earth in a different way.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
To make
ma'am.
it easier, we represent the Earth in a different way. Then what are the important tools or what are the important methods we use to learn Earth? You know the answer?
Globe.
Who said it? Okay, very good. Maps and globes.
Globe.
These are the two important tools we use to represent the Earth.
Yes.
Maps and globes.
Globe.
Today we are going to learn first lesson representing the Earth. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Representing the, what is the name of
Okay,
our
ma'am.
lesson?
Representing the earth.
Representing the
Earth.
I'll share a screen with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
You see the screen? This is the first lesson. This is our first lesson representing the Earth. Then two important tools which we use to represent the Earth
Map
are
and globe.
maps and globes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Maps and globes.
Globes.
Then let me ask some questions. What do you mean by map? What is map?
Map is a picture that shows the continents, water bodies.
Dear children, just listen me. I don't need mass answering. If you know answer, raise your hand. I will call you. Okay? Anthony Joel.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a map?
Map is a chart of water bodies, places, and
Map is a chart of water bodies and places, etc. Very good. Then next. Who's going to answer next? Ayman. Very good, Ayman. Okay. Amal, good.
Map Ma'am, it shows the continents, water bodies.
Okay, map shows continents and water bodies. Good. Then, any other answers?
Ma'am, and in some maps it shows the weather.
Map shows weather. Some maps shows weather. Okay. Good.
Ma'am,
Then
show
Gautam.
the directions.
Good, good. Gautam.
It will show directions.
Sorry?
Directions. It will show
Direction.
directions.
Directions.
Okay. Then map. How can we define a map? Map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on flat surface. Drawing of a place on flat surface is called map. Then what is map? In simple sentence, you can see what is a map. In simple sentence, map is a two-dimensional drawing of a on a flat surface. You got it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me, what is a map?
Is a 2D figure.
Two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface is called map. Is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I can't hear it. Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
Dear children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are okay, dear.
Ma'am, can you just
Check your
repeat?
system.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Can you just repeat the answer?
Map.
Yeah.
Map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome, dear. Okay. Then who will say answer for this course? Map. Anton. What is a map? One, sir. Chris Joy.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is a map?
Map is a two-dimensional
Two-dimensional
drawing
drawing
on a flat surface.
two-dimensional drawing on flat surface. Two-dimensional drawing of place on a flat surface. I hope you understood this. What is map, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next we are going to discuss about types of map. There are three types of maps. First one is political map, physical map, and thematic map.
World map.
Have you studied about this? Have you studied types of map?
Yes. No, ma'am. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Then first
Ma'am, I
one,
have heard about this.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
three types. All of you mute your audio and listen me first.
Political map.
All of you mute your audio and listen me. Very good, very good. Okay. Three types of maps are there. First one is political, second one physical, third one is thematic map.
Ma'am, then
Clear.
geographical map.
Ma'am, what map?
Many
Ma'am, the
types are
third-
there. Yes, yes, dear. Many types are there, but in 5th standard, you are going to study about three types of map.
Ma'am, what is the
Climatic
third
maps are
map?
there, geographical maps are many are there.
Ma'am, what is the third map?
Thematic map. I'll show you. First, you listen me. Then only you will understand what I am teaching. I will share screen with you. Then you can note down all the important points. Clear? Then three types of maps are there. First one, political, physical, and thematic map. Political, physical, and thematic map. If you want to note down the points, you can note down in your notebook. Have you got textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have textbook, underline all these words in your textbook. Underline this.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Yes.
underline pencil?
Yes, with pencil. Okay. Then let us discuss one by one. Look at the screen. Political map means it helps us to know about the borders of country and state. Clear?
Yes.
Political map help us to understand borders of country, our states, its capital, important cities and all. Right? Have you seen map? Have you seen map?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Then when we look at the political map of India, you can see different states are marked, its capital, right? Name of cities, important cities are marked on the map, right? Second one is physical map. Physical map shows land forms, that means where mountains are located, or deserts, oceans, coastal regions, river plains, etc. Third one is thematic map. Thematic map give information related to particular theme. For example, which place get heavy rainfall?
Ma'am, what is the spelling?
Which one? I'll show you. I'll share a screen with you. Then you can copy down the note. I told you first you listen the class. After that you
ma'am.
can copy down. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Third type of map is thematic map. Thematic map give information related to particular theme. For example, which area get heavy rainfall? Then major crop areas, right? In which area rice is growing? In which areas is wheat is growing more? Like that, this map relate or give information related to particular theme. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the screen, it will be more clear. Political map. First one is political map. It shows borders of countries and states. It shows capitals, cities, etc. Second one is physical map. It shows landforms and water borders, natural regions, height of different places. Third one is thematic map. It relates to a particular theme. For example, major crop areas. Then which place get heavy rainfall, major soil types, etc. These are the three different types of map which we are going to study in this lesson. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what are three types of map?
Political,
Political, physical and thematic map. Very good, dear children. Very good. Very good. Then now we learn three different types of map. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
First one is political map. Political map shows or help us to understand borders of our country, our states, its capital and cities.
capitals.
Then physical map shows water bodies, oceans, mountains, deserts, etc. Right? Then thematic map shows give information related to particular theme. For example, major crop-grown areas or which all places get heavy rainfall.
WhatsApp.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone tell me first type of map? We have discussed three types of Gautam. Yeah, Gautam is holding one map, right?
Political map.
Okay. First one, only one.
map.
I will ask.
Physical.
I will ask. Manu. Who is Manu?
Ma'am.
Tell me about political map.
It's political map.
Political map. First type of map we learned.
First type of
What is political map? Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Political map. What information political map provide? Isha Binoy. Isha.
Ma'am, a political map shows the country borders and state borders. and
Very
everything.
good. It shows country borders and state borders. Very good. Yeah.
National capitals and state capitals.
National capitals and state capitals, Gautam. Very good. Then next one is second type of map. Who is going to answer?
Physical map. Physical map.
Tina, right?
physical map.
Chelina, what is physical map? Angelina?
Landforms and
Land-
water bodies
Landforms and water bodies.
mountains and natural
Yes, yes. Good, Angelina, good. Then next, thematic map. Thematic map.
It will show where is heavy rainfall.
Gautam, good, Gautam, good. Good. Okay. Then I hope you understood
Yes, ma'am.
types of map.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, you children. Next, we are going to learn about features of map.
Okay, ma'am.
Features of map. What is the next heading? Features of map. What is the next heading?
Features
of
map.
When you look at the map, what all things you can see on a map?
Landforms.
I don't need mass answering. Raise your hand. I will call you. Raise your hand. I'll call you. I can see you all on this board.
Ma'am, we can show this.
Okay, Gautam. What all things you can see on the map?
We can see the continents
You
and
can see the
water bodies
continents.
and the oceans.
Okay, apart from this continent, states, capital and all, what all other things you can see on the map?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Map.
Raise your hand.
Landform.
Raise your hand. Yes.
Landforms.
Landforms, okay.
Water bodies.
Water bodies,
Water bodies and
okay.
landforms.
Apart from this water bodies, mountains, rivers and all, what all things? Capitals, okay.
Capital.
Apart from this,
Keys.
what all things you can see?
Keys.
Sorry?
Keys.
Excuse me.
Key.
Clear, clear.
monkeys and legendary.
Fia Maria. What dear?
Roots.
We can see roots. Okay, roots marked on the map. Okay, good. Then,
Monkeys and
what are
legendary.
this? Sorry?
Monkeys and legendary.
There on the map?
Ma'am, water bodies.
Yes.
Water bodies, okay.
Seal.
Keys.
Scale, very good. Scale is there, okay. First thing you have to notice is title. What it is?
What, ma'am?
Title. T-I-T-L-E. Title. Have you seen title of map? On the
Yes.
top right side, you
Yes.
can see title, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That, what is title?
Yes, ma'am.
What is title? What the map is about. Title explain what the map
the map
is
is
about.
about.
This map is about. Okay, that's a title. Then, top you can see directions. Have you seen directions on the map?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
North, south, west and east. It's there. On the top it is marked. Have you
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can see colors and symbols.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you noticed colors and symbols on the map?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. then colors and simple. Then you can see many horizontal and vertical lines on the map. Have you noticed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal and vertical lines.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
You
Ma'am,
can see
equator.
one scale on the top.
Ma'am, equator.
You can see one scale on the top, right? Sometimes it's on the top of the, some maps on top of map or bottom.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on the map it shows the equator.
Equator. Okay, okay. Equator is there. I'm talking about features of map. Okay. How many features are there? Title, scale, direction, direction, then key and grid.
5 features of map.
I'll share a
features
screen
of
with you. This will help you to, this will make you clear. These are the major features of map. Got it? First one is title.
5 features of map.
Title explains what the map is about. If it is a political map of India, you can see on the top political. Hello, dear children, mute your audio and listen me. First one is title to explain what the map is about. Suppose if the map is about the map. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. First, title explains what the map is about. Okay. You can see political map of India, geographical map of India on the top of the map. That is the title. Clear? Okay. Try to get a map and go through it. If it is possible, today itself. Okay. Second feature is key. Key means to explain symbols and colors used.
There is a map.
Hello.
Hello.
Second feature is key. Key means symbols and colors we used in the map. Okay. We can see different colors on the map and symbols also you can see. For example, to show port. To show port. Picture of ship you can see on the map. Right? To show airport. Picture of aeroplane can be seen on the map. That is symbols and colors. Scale means to show how much area is covered by a map. Fourth feature is direction. You can see directions, north, south, west and east direction on the map. Fifth one is grid. Grid means you can see lot of vertical and horizontal lines on the map. Vertical and horizontal lines on the map. It is called grid. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Then 5 features of map. First one is title. Second is key. Third one is scale. Fourth one is direction. Fifth one is grid.
Grid.
Praveen, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read this features of the map? Only headings. Only headings you can read. Read. Praveen, read louder.
Features of map.
Features of map. Right. Good. Then
Title,
title,
key,
key,
scale,
tail,
directions,
directions,
grid.
grid. I hope all of you understood what all this. What is title, what is key, what is scale, what is direction, and what is grid.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all map is available, right? Map is there in your house?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't have map, try to get one and go through it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Map is there.
I'll give you a brief summary of today's lesson. All of you listen. After that, I'll ask you some questions. Okay. Today we learned what is map. Today we learned what is map. Then map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next we discussed three types of maps. Political map, physical map, and thematic map. Political map give us information about the borders of countries and states, capitals and cities. Physical map shows landforms and water borders, height of different places. Third one, thematic map give information related to particular theme. For example, major crop regions, which all places be rainfall,
can't
etc.
see you, ma'am. I can't.
Then next is features of map. 5 features are there. We discuss 5 features. First one is title, key, scale, direction, and
Directions and grid.
okay. All of you understood today's class, right? I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask some questions.
Yes.
Okay, very good, children. You are very cooperative. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll call your name. Ananta Krishnan. Ananta Krishnan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is a map?
Map is the flat.
Map is a drawing of.
Drawing of
Map is a
flat.
drawing of two-dimensional.
I'm asking to Ananta Krishnan.
Flat.
Let him complete his answer.
Map is a flat drawing of two-dimensional figures.
Ananta Krishnan, map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface.
Flat surface.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pia, explain 3 types of map. Okay, just tell me name of 3 types of map. Names. Pia, unmute your audio and speak.
Political,
Political,
physical,
physical,
and thematic.
and thematic map. Very good here. Okay. Then Nandita. Nandita, can you hear me?
Yes.
Nandita, what are the features of map? Tell me what are the features of map?
What is the question?
Features of map. Have you noted all the points in your notebook? Have you noted all points? Have you written all the points in your note? Nandita,
Title,
title,
key,
key, scale, title, key, scale, Ammu. Ammu, are you here? Are you there? Okay. Can you hear me, Ammu? Okay, complete this answer. Features of map. Title.
Scale, direction.
One more is it? Title, key, scale, direction, and grid. Grid. Very good. Very good. Very good. Both of you good. Okay. Title, key, scale, direction, and grid. Anandesh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is a map?
Map is a two-dimensional figure that shows the place
Places.
in
That shows places. Very good, Anandesh. Then Srihari said. Harsha. Harsha, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Tell me types of map.
Ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear you.
Harsha.
Ma'am.
Yes.
The time is over 12 o'clock. Now it's 5th B class.
Okay, okay, dear child. Okay. Here it is on the panel board. It is 11:59. So, okay, dear children. I hope all of you understood today's portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then go through the lesson.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go with it. Okay.
You will send
Okay.
the notes to the WhatsApp,
Yes, definitely, dear. I'll send notes through WhatsApp.
Angelina.
Yes. You have to write all the question answer in one
Angelina
paper.
recorded class will be there.
Yes.
Will you please send physical maps?
Yes, I'll send note today itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.